Hello everyone, welcome to our new video today. I'm going to introduce our new products on my right hand. For this countertop styling, the griddles. We can see the unit designed 4 individual switches at the front. So let me give you the overall dimensions first. Its unit is about like a 40, almost like a 48 inches wide. And the depths of the units, they are about like a 30 inches. And also the overall heights, they are about like a 16 and 1/8 inches tall. So basically the units we can see they designed with a griddle pan on top. And the left corners, they have a small hole for all the dirt or dust to clean from that drain bars. And they're having like a small drawer at the bottom, so you can just pull it out and clean the inside. And for this cooking space, they are about like a 22.5 inches deep, 22.5 inches deep. And they are about almost like a 48 inches wide for the cooking griddles. And also the thickness of these griddle pans, they are about like a 1 inches deep. So, and also the units, we're having the sanitation stickers on the side of the EKL sanitations, and also the manufacturer informations on the side too. And for the unit, comes with the 1, 2, 3, 4 feet at the bottoms. The height is a little bit adjustable. And from the behind, we're having a gas connections. They are about like a 1.5 inches deep for these connections. And also the manufacturer give you accessory for the regulators for this one. And this will be all demonstration information about the products. And if you do have more questions, feel free to contact with us. Thank you.